Well, hello everybody. This is Kate with Kate's Paper Creations, except now I create far more than just paper because I've got my icon art stencil maker where I'm making stencils to do screen printing on shirts and all kinds of things like that, etching on glass and all kinds of that. But for Christmas, my son gave me a Glowforge laser machine, and I got it set up about 2 days ago and made my first project. They give you a starter project. It's a little keychain measuring tool, and you can try and see if you can see it a little bit better. My lighting isn't the greatest, but yeah, there we go. Got a good look there. You can see the measurements down the side and the measurements for the size of the holes. This is the end that goes on your keychain. It's kind of cute. So I made that the first day we had it all set up. That was kind of fun. Then I made another one that I don't have with me, but I'm going to show you another one that I made today. I decided I needed a pencil holder, and so I made a pencil holder. Now, those of you that are my Stampin' Up! Card making followers, you might recognize these designs on here. These are from the, oh gosh, now I can't remember, hand-pinned petals, I believe. One of them is, and this one that's tall and skinny, that's from Flowers of Friendship. And I'm able to stamp them with black ink onto white paper, put them inside my Glowforge, and it scans them, and then I can trace them and bring them in and use them for artwork for my projects. And so I thought, oh, I've got to use Stampin' Up! Stuff because I'm still a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I still love to do cards, and you're still seeing card videos. But every once in a while, you're going to see a video of something I've made with my Glowforge or my icon art. So anyway, turned out really cute. Thought you might like to see it in pieces. So these are the pieces, and this is the base. It was cut into 2 pieces, and I've already glued them together, and so they're already set. And then we're just going to put glue on the edges and start putting this together. So let's do it while you're watching here. I'm going to try and put in at the end of this video, I'll put in I'm going to try and dub in some of the video of the machine working so you can kind of see that. I'm going to spread that out so it doesn't leave, because I don't need a whole bunch of glue, just need a little bit of glue, and it'll keep it from squeezing out so much if I do this. And then I'm going to take one piece is wider than the other. This is the narrower piece, so I need 2 pieces, and I'm going to put glue on the edge of the narrow piece because it's going to sit inside the other one, and do that. And then I'm just gonna put them on here and line them up with each other. Make sure that they're tight to the center, that little centerpiece that I showed you earlier. It's kind of hard to see here. The lighting is bad. There we go. Leaves that edge that you can attach to. And so then the edges here just line up with each other like that. And it sticks pretty good and pretty quickly, actually. And so now I'm going to run some glue down these other 2 sides. And I'm going to run my finger over them just to thin it out a little bit. And we'll wipe up that extra glue. And then I'm going to put glue on the edge of this piece. Again, this is the skinnier piece. And put the wider piece here. Get that piece in place, just like that. And then this is another one of the narrower pieces, and it's going to need glue on both edges, both this one and, turn it around, get in the picture better, on both edges. Like this. And this is what's called I'm just using the supplies that came with the machine, and this is called medium draft board. And so I don't know if it would hold up to like moisture or anything, but this is just a pencil box. So I don't think it's going to be an issue. Get those lined up and pressed into place, and you can just kind of feel it with your fingers and see that you've got it in place good. And then that's all there is to it, just to let it dry, and then you have your finished piece. It does help if you put it on right side up, so let's do that right quick. You catch me sometimes, eh? I always go back and look, and that's why I did. I went back and looked, and I go, oh, that's not going to work. We need to make that piece right side up. And all the rest of them are okay. Okay. There we go. All set. All it's got to do is dry, and we'll have two lovely pencil boxes. One will have to be a gift for somebody. But I didn't have a pencil box, and I decided I needed one. So it gave me a reason to make something. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, just for fun, showing you what I can do. I'm going to be having more things to offer with this as I go along, some how-tos. When I start doing some of my own actual designing, then I'll be able to share more about that as well. But right now it's learning curve time. So I've learned how to bring in the artwork and learned how to apply the artwork to a project, and how to do the layouts and things like that. So it's just getting started. So I hope you'll enjoy the video and give me a comment or two. I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you later.